Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn about the greenhouse effect. My name is Mrs. Ventresca and I'll be guiding you on your learning journey. When you hear the word greenhouse, you might think of a glass building where people grow plants. But today we're not talking about those actual greenhouses. Instead, we're going to explore how the greenhouse effect works on Earth and why it matters for our weather and climate. Remember, you learned earlier that the sun's energy radiates to Earth as light in the form of waves. Some of this energy warms the land, and some of the energy warms the oceans. If Earth's atmosphere didn't work the way it does, some of this heat would escape back to space. But Earth's atmosphere contains special gases called greenhouse gases. One of the main greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide, and the other is called methane. This layer of gases acts a bit like the glass in a greenhouse. They trap some of this heat and keep it from escaping back to space too quickly. This is a good thing. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth would be too cold for us to live. The greenhouse gases are located in the stratosphere, in a special region called the ozone layer. The ozone layer gets its name because it also has a high concentration of a molecule called ozone, which is made of 3 oxygen atoms bonded together. This is different than the oxygen our body uses, which is O2, made of 2 oxygen atoms bonded together. Sometimes human activities such as burning fossil fuels can create too many greenhouse gases. Another human activity that can contribute to an increase in greenhouse gases is the cutting down of forests or deforestation. This can cause the ozone layer to trap too much heat and lead to global warming. If too much global warming is present, it can change our weather patterns. So the greenhouse effect itself isn't a bad thing. The problem arises when it becomes too strong because of human activities. Now, let's review what we've learned. Question 1. In which layer of the atmosphere would you find greenhouse gases? The troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, or thermosphere? If you chose stratosphere, you are correct. What are 2 greenhouse gases found in the ozone layer? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, methane, or ammonia? If you chose carbon dioxide and methane, you are correct. What will happen if we have too many greenhouse gases in the ozone layer? Will Earth's temperature increase or decrease? The Earth's temperature would increase. Last question. What is the specialized layer of gases found in the stratosphere called? Is it the ion layer, the ozone layer, the cloud belt, or the greenhouse shield? If you chose the ozone layer, you are correct. Thank you for watching.